It's Father's Day. Church muna kami. Church. Angela. So,
and I would just like to pray this prayer. Our Father, and if I give you the words, it will come to you. Speak these words to God if you would. I believe I do not trust. If you prayed that prayer, I just want to say I would love to give you.
it's my bladder.
Dad, get your gift. You know, let's go to the gift area.
Come on, let's go. Get
What do
me
you
one.
mean? What do you mean no?
Dude,
I'm not a father. I'm not either.
Come on, Kiana.
Go.
Come on.
Go, you free.
3. Ako mo, Kiana.
He said I'm your brother.
Come on, sister.
Go, father. No children.
Go, Ace. Go ka.
Maybe one more. We're gonna go there next year.
Jolly.
The one that you had in your car.
Let's go sa beach. Okay, nandito na kami. Una kami ng mga boys. Kaya nakapark na kami dyan, no? Ang parking lang mahirap dito. Si Ace tsaka si
We're right in front of Delma Plaza Front.
Roy. Pagin nakuha namin yung spot. See your location.
Stop, homie!
Hi.
4:30. Press follow prompt.
Hello. Who's that?
Did you ride with where did you guys park?
Hey. We parked over there. But I still need to get the food.
Ayaw ko mapasok.
Maybe I put too much. I'll put.
No? Here?
You see that again?
Go ahead.
How do you know what zone are you?
Hindi niya ina-accept sa kabila eh. Press 1, right? 434. I made it. See? Ayos. 434. 2 p.m.
Okay, so.
Alright. Let's try yours. Oh yeah, that's the thing.
But yeah,
Huh?
yeah, I got it. I got those.
What do you mean? Nag-work na yung ano dun.
Oh, good. What happened?
Once you put in the floor,
Number,
thing, right?
yung number
Yeah.
natin.
You should be good there.
Good? Saan ba? Saan ba sila? Roy, nagbayad na ako doon, parking. Ay. Saan yung sa atin?
Basically everything.
Pro. Ayos. So,
Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
I'm looking for my
Ay ako, chill lang. Bahala sila dyan. Kain na si Tito. Si Ace. Come on, Jeff. It's Father's Day. Ace. Dito mo. Dito. Yun, may mga nag-exert. Sila Rich, yun na.
Alright, so you guys, you can let the dogs over there.
Oh! Angel. Yeah. Kiss. Pwesto, kain muna. Medyo mainit. Good? Two kind of pancit. Siopaw, siopaw.
It's over here so it doesn't stay in the sun.
Sauce guys, yun o. Ano mo sauce tadi sa... Oh, grab it. Pansit man, pansit. Kain muna tayo. Pansit muna.
There's no bear or there's no...
Doggy. Lamig ako.
Filter. Are you You're at the beach. Mom, what else did you get?
Leona is here.
Oh yeah.
I just bring it just in case.
How was yours? Oh, Ellie, you're here.
Can't control it.
Hi, Mom. Why did you have a
Hi Dad, how are you? For the day.
I saw it for you.
Oh, thank you so much. This looks good. Hi Mom. How are you?
We're here.
Ito na si Police. Hi, sir.
What's up? How are you?
Happy Father's
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I'm freezing.
Hi. Mahangin na. Mahangin na.
Enough. That's enough. Hey, Holly, that's enough. That's enough.
Angel, his hands.
Does he love
Eh.
Jesus?
Yeah, he does.
He don't listen to you, ah.
Yung anak, ano ganyan ang aso ni
Ayaw.
Carol eh. Nagbibig siya.
Ikaw yun din. Yeah. Ito lahat. Ayan, ah. Ayos nila. Ang gana na. Kain muna tayo. Yeah. Alis. Tayo sa Belmont Shore. Bye bye na. Kaya pala nag-exercise to, no? Bike. Let's go. Okay, that's it. Ang mainit na Belmont Shore celebration ng Father's Day. Okay, that's it. Babush. It up. Business yan. Grooming din na. Park maaga pa ang ating work bukas kasi medyo ayun na. Shake.